Woodworking isn't just about cutting wood. It's about unlocking power, speed, and pure genius hidden inside the right tools. Welcome to Next Tool X, the place where the smartest woodworking gadgets come alive. If you love tools that wow and ideas that inspire, hit subscribe now, because today, you're about to see woodworking like never before. Woodworkers, imagine cutting flawless edges and smooth grooves without wasting time on setup. That's exactly what this skill router combo delivers. Above-the-table height adjustment, dual-bit storage, aluminum gauge slot, router clamp, starter pin, LED lights, and a safety indicator keep you efficient and safe. And featherboards that lock every cut dead accurate. Add a 24-inch fence and ergonomic handles, and you've got a setup built for serious woodworkers who want speed, control, and clean results every single time. Stop wasting money on flimsy clamps. These Tulisa heavy-duty spring clamps are a game-changer. Built with reinforced fiberglass and tempered steel springs, they lock down with 30 pounds of force that lasts up to 72 hours. The 3-inch jaw opening handles thick wood, backdrops, or awkward materials with ease, while the pivoting pads protect your surface and grip uneven edges. Add the soft, ergonomic handles, and you've got a clamp that actually makes the job easier. This panel carrier makes hauling plywood and drywall a one-hand job. Clamp it on, lift up to 100 pounds, and walk with control. No bending, no slipping, no busted edges. The ergonomic grip locks sheets up to 3/4 inch thick, so even full 4x8 panels feel light. Wood, MDF, drywall, move it all without strain. One small tool that saves your back every single time. Crooked cuts ruin projects. This tool fixes that. The Craig Circular Saw Guide locks your saw at a perfect 45 degrees or 90 degrees, giving you clean, accurate crosscuts up to 8 inches wide. Just line up the retractable cut line indicator, set it on the board, and the Grip Max pads hold everything steady. No slipping, no second cuts. Compatible with left or right blade saws, it turns any circular saw into a precision tool. Straight cuts, every single time. Your old tape measure? Outdated. This is the T1 Tomahawk, a contractor-grade smart tape that's accurate beyond 1/32 of an inch. It saves up to 500 measurements right on its side display, so you'll never lose track. Plus, a built-in green laser lets you line up and mark perfectly straight every time. Swap between inches, feet, or millimeters in seconds, and even share cut lists wirelessly to your crew. Durable, rechargeable, and built for the job site, it's the last tape measure you'll ever need. Ever tried cutting through old wood full of nails? Normal blades snap, slow down, and cost you time. That's why pros use the Tulisa Bi-Metal Demolition blades. Built with 8% cobalt, they're thicker, tougher, and designed to rip through nail-embedded wood, metal, even tires, without breaking. The variable teeth give you faster, smoother cuts with less vibration, and they fit almost every major saw brand. One blade that saves you time, money, and frustration. This is Demolition made easy. This is the IQ Vise, the only tool that locks your project at any angle, 360 degrees, with rock-solid grip. Wood, pipes, metal, nothing slips. The secret? Hardened steel jaws with double-sided grip, plus an 8-position locking ball that can handle up to 130 foot-pounds of torque. It even connects to lights and magnifiers, so your hands stay free. One vise that replaces them all and saves you from every workshop headache. Your circular saw stops at 2 inches, right? This attachment turns it into a beast, boosting cut depth all the way to 12 inches. Rafters, beams, stair cuts, even log cuts. Clean, precise, in one pass. And it snaps on in under a minute, fitting DeWalt, Makita, Bosch, almost any saw. Builders love it because it saves hours, replaces bulky chainsaws, and delivers power with control. One small add-on. Total game changer. Ever tried cutting concrete or hollow brick with a regular blade? Total nightmare. This carbide tooth saw blade changes everything. It rips through drywall, fiber cement, and aerated concrete with clean, stable cuts. Built tough, lasts way longer, and it fits almost every major saw brand. One blade, no more struggle. Building boxes, cabinets, or drawers. These corner clamps lock your wood at a perfect 90 degrees. No wobble, no guessing. Just squeeze the padded handles and the Automax Tech adjusts instantly to the thickness of your board. Clamp, screw, and your joint is solid. With edge stops for clean alignment and a slot for Craig screws, you get pro-level precision every time. One tool that makes every project faster, straighter, and stronger. Ever tried cutting metal pipe with those cheap cutters that wobble and leave jagged edges? This tool fixes that. With 6 precision ball bearings and a razor-sharp SKD steel blade, it glides through copper, aluminum, even stainless steel, clean and smooth. The ergonomic knob locks tight, so every spin feels effortless. And when you're done, the built-in deburring tool cleans up the edge in seconds. One cutter, all your plumbing, auto, and DIY jobs done right every time. This pocket-sized powerhouse changes everything. The Magnastrum electric screwdriver packs a 220 RPM motor with adjustable torque. So whether you're assembling a desk, tightening a faucet, or repairing a PC, every screw goes in perfectly. It comes with 16 precision bits in a magnetic pop-up case, plus a long-lasting battery that drives over 300 screws on a single charge. One sleek tool that saves time, energy, and frustration fits right in your hand. Tired of digging through a toolbox just to find the right wrench? This universal wrench solves it. Its self-adjusting jaws lock onto pipes, bolts, even odd shapes. Tighten one way, slip free the other. The small size covers 9 to 25 millimeters, the large 19 to 43 millimeters, replacing an entire set of wrenches in one go. Built with CRV steel, it grips hard without slipping and resists rust, so it lasts. The RYOBI 18-volt brushless multi-tool cuts wood, metal, drywall, even sands and grinds. With 20,000 oscillations per minute, it's 30% faster and fits tight spaces your other tools can't. Swap blades in seconds, light up dark corners with the built-in LED, and power it with the same ONE+ battery that runs over 225 RYOBI tools. One tool, endless jobs. This is the must-have upgrade for every project. This Jealous 7-amp belt sander rips through surfaces in seconds. With a 3x21-inch belt and 6 variable speeds, you control the power. Whether you're stripping paint, smoothing rough lumber, or polishing metal, lock it down with the clamps, and it doubles as a bench sander, perfect for hands-free work. Plus, it comes with 10 sanding belts and a dust bag that actually keeps your workspace clean. One tool that saves time, money, and your energy. Digging fence posts or planting trees with a shovel? That's back-breaking. This 1,500-watt electric hole digger makes the job stupid easy. With 90 foot-pounds of torque and 270 RPM, it rips through tough ground in seconds, saving hours of sweat. The high-strength steel auger won't quit on rocks or roots, and the safety lock plus anti-skid handles keep you stable while it powers through. From fences to decks, even ice fishing. This tool is built to work harder, faster, safer. One machine, endless digging power. And that's a wrap. Which tool blew your mind today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join the next Tool X crew for more epic gadgets every week. See you in the next one.